In this video, I'm going to show you how to access NFL Sunday Ticket during YouTube TV's free trial. While the standard YouTube TV free trial includes popular sports channels like ESPN and Fox, NFL Sunday Ticket is a premium add-on that typically requires an additional subscription. However, there may be special promotions where YouTube TV offers a free trial of NFL Sunday Ticket for new users. To check for these deals, visit the YouTube TV website or app and look for any active offers related to NFL Sunday Ticket during the sign-up process. If available, select the NFL Sunday Ticket add-on while signing up for your free trial. Once subscribed, you can access all the out-of-market Sunday afternoon games through the YouTube TV app or website under the NFL Sunday Ticket tab. You can also use the search bar to find specific games or teams. If you want to record games, take advantage of YouTube TV's Cloud DVR feature, which works even during the free trial. Be sure to cancel before the trial ends if you don't want to transition to a paid subscription. If this video helped you access NFL Sunday Ticket with YouTube TV's free trial, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.